That's what ballet is? Oh.
You promised. You can't back out like when you volunteered for that army experiment to avoid dinner at my sister's.
Mr. Simpson, you do realize this may result in hair loss, giddiness, and the loss of equilibrium.
Yeah. Just give me the syrup. It was worth it.
Hey, Homer, you want to get a beer on the way home?
I can't. I gotta take my wife to the ballet.
Gotta go see the bear in the little car, huh?
Invisible cola. Time to stick it to the man.
Hey, careful there, Homer. I heard somebody lost an arm in there once.
That's just an old wives' tale. Just a little more. Got it. I'm stuck. Help me.
He's done for.
Let's get out of here.
Must get to ballet. Thomas, march. Hello? Can I get some help? Snack-related mishap. Candy.
Hello?
Marge, this may be hard to believe, but I'm trapped inside 2 vending machines.
Sure, Homer. Trapped in vending machines. Okay.